Hello there folks and welcome back. My name's Steven and today we're reviewing these Emart photography or videography lights. Now these come in a set of two. They come with 4 plastic light filters: white, blue, an orangish brownish color, and red. They're easy to take on and off. You simply pull up on this tab right here and they slide into the indexing clamps. Now let's go ahead and slide that down here. Take a look at the LED light itself. It's a polymer outer on both the front and back, so almost all polymer parts, yet the LED lights inside are recessed into an aluminum module. Now another thing to note is on the back of the light there is lots of venting so that this thing can appropriately shed heat and not overheat, and it's held in with 4 Phillips head screws. The LED light on this is an extremely bright light. And like I said, it comes with those 4 filters: blue, orange, and red. But it also comes with this very nice little adapter that fits into a cold or hot shoe, so you can mount this light directly on top of a DSLR camera. Also comes with another little tripod or micro-sized tripod that you can attach this light to. And it comes with these 2 very nice collapsible full-size aluminum tripods with clamping and with a clamping arm. Now, one thing to note on this head is you can adjust this direction. You can lock that in place, and you can also adjust this by adjusting this little screw head so that you can screw this on and off very quickly and easily. The legs of the tripod are riveted in, but they are aluminum. Let's go ahead and show you guys how this comes down. You pull each one out, and you can adjust the width of these legs by pulling in or out on them. Once you have it in the appropriate spot, turn this little thumb screw until it's good and tight, and then you have this adjustable arm. I like that these are clamp locks, as I think those are a lot better than twist locks. Now, as you can see, this thing can get quite tall. I would say that's about 4 feet tall. I'm going to adjust this down so it's in frame, and then we're going to go ahead and test out. One thing that's cool to note is it has 11 dimmable settings, and it comes with this built-in remote, or I should say control module, in the wire itself. You're going to go ahead and click the on function. As you can see, a very nice soft white light. It doesn't fill the room and cause too many shadows. Let's go ahead and adjust the brightness down very low, or excuse me, that's very bright. And then let's go ahead and adjust the brightness down very low. So I love that this is an adjustable dimmable light. I have other studio lights that are not adjustable, and oftentimes they wash out the photo or video too much because I cannot adjust them and use the dimmable function. So I really like that these are adjustable and that they have these individual on-off settings. To turn it off, you're just going to hold down that power button for a few seconds and it'll turn right off for you. Anyways, really pleased with these LED studio lights. They do utilize a wire that plugs into a USB wall mount. It is not a regular plug-in. So go ahead and check them out. So far they're working really well for streaming live videos.